Welcome back again, and today I'm going to show you how to wear your mask during traveling so that you don't feel the tension that the mask usually causes, because most of this mask is one size for all. So normally when we wear this for the whole day, we begin to feel some pain on the hair lobes. So I'm going to show you how you should wear your mask during this period that you are traveling. And because some people be traveling for up to 6 hours, that's a long time to have the mask on. So I'm going to show you tips that I use for wearing my mask. The first one is to use 2 ropes, adding 2 ropes to the mask. If you don't have any rope at home, you can use the lace from your shoe, from your canvas or your sneakers. So you can use your shoelace, and what you will be doing is just adding the 2 ropes inside the mask. So I'll put this first and use this to measure. Okay. So that's the extra extension that I need. Then I'm going to tie this. Do that for the second one. Okay, so that's 2 different rope. How am I going to wear this? Let me show you. Now I'm going to pull my mask, pull the first rope to come up, and the second so you can see it's firm and no extra tension on my hair because I'm not, see that? So your hair is free, no mask, it's not pressing it down. So this is the first trick to wear your mask. Also, for those that wear glasses, it's always good not to pull your mask down, because when you do and you put on your glasses, it seems up the glass. Pull it really close to your eyelid, not directly into your eye. Then wear this. You can see the steaming is not that much. So it's really easy, and when it's not in use, fold this together. The second tip is for those that love to listen to music. So imagine wearing this on your hair and you're adding an extra pressure. It's really puts too much pressure on your hair. So I'm having this for my trip. I will attach this here. So I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I wish you a safe trip to your destination. And at the same time, please remember to sanitize your hand when you touch any surface in the public, so that you don't infect yourself or transmit the virus from one surface to the other if the surface has already been infected. And until next time, have a lovely trip, have a lovely Christmas holiday, and I wish you a beautiful time with your family. Bye.